Okay, guys, welcome in London. This is a little bit of a different vlog today because I didn't have a chance to film everything in the UK, but I think it's a nice idea to show you the hotel that I'm staying in, so that you can figure out yourself if you ever need to stay at a hotel near Heathrow Airport, then maybe it's an option to go to the Sofitel. It's that's the name of the hotel I'm in. It is a 5-star hotel, so it's a bit expensive. It's probably like 100 plus a day, but I will put in the video below or on screen what the normal prices are, because I'm in a family room today. But yeah, let me quickly show you around what the accommodations and what they all have here. So yeah, so here is basically the entrance, as you can see. Then on your right you have a little setup to put your suitcases or whatever you want. You have a closet where you can store your clothing, your jacket. Here you can see some slippers that they give you for the bed, for the bathroom or the toilet. Extra pillow there. Yeah, they have like a fold if you need it for your expensive items. And here you have a mini fridge. I'm pretty sure this is like free, so there was like this kind of water in it. Yeah, Coke, a normal Coke, and there was also some juices like this, you know, but we already drank it. Yeah, here's some room service, of course. You have some drawers to put your stuff in. It's empty because I left everything in my suitcases there, but I think this part here is very nice, you know, for people like me. If you want to edit your vlogs and stuff, it's nice to have like a desk, of course. So here you can see you have a nice desk to edit your vlogs, and the chair is also pretty nice. Yeah, what else? So a very big window here. I will open it later, but as you can see, this was a couch actually, but it can be turned out like a bed. And here you have the master bed. What else? Yeah, some nice paintings. It's not too special. Table, phone to call room service. Yeah, if you want to know like room service things, you can find on the TV. So if you go to the menu, as you can see here, if you go to services, then or not services, like what was it? Well, I guess services. Anyway, somewhere on the TV here, you can find the menu for the room service. Yeah, so another nice mirror here. where you can check the TV. Yeah, let me just quickly open the window, or the curtains I mean, so that you can see. It's not too much to see outside because it's literally next to the airport. I had to go here because I missed my flight, but and this was like walking distance from the terminal, so didn't have too much choice. But yeah, as you can see, it's just like a one big row of windows basically. Let's close it again because it's very sunny. So yeah, I think here's another drawer. Didn't use anything because I just want to leave quickly. Yeah, here's a view from the bed again. And yeah, as last, basically here you have the bathroom or the toilet as well. Let's close it over here so you can see better. So you get a rope, enough towels, and yeah, because it's a 5-star hotel, I guess you get pretty luxurious like soaps and body wash, shampoo, conditioner from this brand Balmain in Paris. I think it's a fashion brand, if I'm correct, because I know the trousers, the jeans of this brand. But yeah, you get some body lotion as well, some cups, soap, yeah, the standard things, you know. You get a dental kit for you're brushing your teeth, shaving kit, didn't open it, I think that's, or, yeah, a little bit. Let's see what else they have. A vanity kit, and a shower cap, if you can see it. So pretty much, yeah, your basics from a luxurious hotel. Yeah, so they have a bathtub here. Here's a toilet, sink, but they also have a shower, which I prefer better, you know. I don't like to lie in a bed. But again, yeah, here the same stuff, you know. Balmain Paris body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. I'm pretty happy with the service. We had basically, well, free breakfast, but you kind of pay for it if you think about the price, you know. Yeah, I think that's it. It's not too luxurious, but it's like, I would say, mid-level. I've seen a lot of other hotel rooms online or in videos that look over the top, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it is here. Basically, yeah. So this is the card that you get to open your door. You can see the address on it, but I will put it in the video as well. Yeah, some complimentary waters. Oh yeah, and the last thing, it's a little bit dark in this area, but here's a water cooker, a little trash can. Here you can make some coffee, and you get some come some cups, 4 of them. These flavors, you know, for your tea and coffee, and a cookie. And yeah, here you have your panel where you put in your key card, and yeah, you can also control the whole, you know, room, the lights and stuff here. As you can see, the room, the desk, the bed. So think oh yeah, and of course you have TV. You also have normal TV here. You do have to pay extra for the Wi-Fi, which is I would probably say some minus point of them, especially thinking about the price, how much it costs a day. The Wi-Fi should be free, but you have to pay extra for the Wi-Fi, so that's a minus point. What else? Yeah, I think that's it. I will probably, or you probably will see in the start of the video a little bit how the hallway looks. But yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I will let you know. So, and here is the outside, as you can see. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Here's the front. And you basically go here to the elevators, and then you can go outside. Peace out.